What's up guys? So in this video we are going to discover how do you make $1,000 just by reading out aloud. And in fact this is the platform that we are talking about, ACX. This is from the Amazon and basically it pays, as you can see, if I search by the genre, $100 to $200 or like $200 to $400 per hour. Let us see, like all you have to do is just read out their book and you will be paid, guaranteed. There is no catch in that. So let us watch the video completely till the end so that you understand the power of this tool. And in fact all you have to do is just read out the audiobooks of others and you will be paid such a big amount. So the first step that you need to do is just go to acx.com, and basically this is an Amazon affiliated website. So this is like Amazon paying you something like that. So basically, as we already know that on Amazon we have thousands and thousands of books. You go to acx.com, you can sign up if you haven't already signed up for the Amazon. If you have already Amazon account, just click on login and you just enter your Amazon details and you will be logged in and you will be seeing just like that. By the way guys, this channel will be everything about how do we increase your finances, make you loads of money utilizing the online techniques. So do ensure that you subscribe to our channel because you will be helped a lot in this. And as well as we are going to give $1,000 to random winner. Whoever subscribe to our channel, likes this video and comments down below in the video description the best takeaway from this video, anything that you like. And once 50 comments are completed, we are going to pick one of them as a random winner. So 50 comments, $1,000 could be yours. So let's move on to the video. Once you have logged in to this acx.com, as you can see, are you an actor or a producer? This is the link that you can click on, and basically what you are being paid on is that so many authors print their book, have their book published, and then they want it to be read out loud, right, as an audiobook. So ACX is the platform that allows people to record as an audible. So once I click as an actor, I click on find a book for your voice, and that's when I go inside. As you can see, 1382 titles right now, right, in the moment. So basically every time and every day it keeps on getting updated. So the best part is you will never run out of work. You will always have something to do with that. So all you have to do is just complete one project, just complete one audiobook, and you will know end to end, and then you can keep on completing many of the project. Now let us see like one of the book. Let's say this one, YouTube content marketing. This is one of the books somebody has written. Now what is the budget that they are paying? Basically the words are 1625 words and the estimated length is 1.8 hours, and you have to read the complete book and record and provide them, right? But for you to be chosen, what they are providing a royalty share. As you can see, this guy has written, somewhere he has written, I'm going to provide you royalty for the rest of the life, like as long as you can see, thanks for your interest, please note I'm offering royalty share for this project. This means you will earn a certain percentage of royalty every time a sales is made on Amazon. You will be paid a certain percentage of royalty for the rest of your life just because you have recorded this book. But let's in this case try to search from the perspective where money is guaranteed, right? Per audition, like per book read, you get a money, like not a royalty share. So let's say you choose the minimum one, right? $50 to $100. Let's say $100 to $200 per finished hour. As you can see, 27 titles right now currently already available. Let me just pick this one, right? Real Prison, Real Freedom. As you can see, what is the amount of hours? 7.3 hours. What is the project budget that they are giving? Minimum $100 an hour. That means minimum that you earn by reading out this book is $730, and maximum that you get is double the amount, which is $1,460. So approximately $1,000 for just reading out this particular book, right? And then all you have to do is just click on audition. There will be a script given by them. You just record your voice into it, and then they will choose from all the auditions points that they have. And in fact, like there are 1300 titles already, so do not think that there is so much competition in there. You can get the work easily. Very high likely chance of probability that you are going to get the work. So you keep on clicking onto multiple books, try to give audition for many, you can get many of the projects, and just do the project. And I'm pretty sure, like, once you have done one of the project, every day you can take it as a full-time work as well. Like, people can earn $1,000 a day, one book a day, $1,000 a day, right? That's fair enough, like big sum of money. And this is, by the way, guys, dealt by Amazon. This company is related or affiliated with the Amazon, so do not think that, okay, there will be any kind of like less amount of work, some sort of catch. They won't be paying. Obviously, the last thing Amazon could do is not pay what it promises. And in fact, just think from the author's perspective, like they spend year or 2 year down the line to write a book, and then obviously audiobook, if they add on, it keeps on doubling their sales, like it keeps on bringing them a huge amount of revenue. So if they give $1,000 for one book, somebody else reading it out, I mean, it's not a big amount. Even if they go and hire on the freelancer website, they'll have to pay $2,000 to $3,000. If Amazon is getting this job done for $1,000, it's a great deal for them. So here you're providing value by your voice, and you are earning a big sum of money. So that's it, guys, as simple as that. Just go to acx.com, sign up, and go to this book section, and then choose any of the books. Just put the audition, you get the project, record your voice, complete the project, get the money in the bank. That's it. That's a complete sequence. So guys, I hope that you like this video, and if you did, do give a thumbs up, as well as comment down below the best takeaway from this video. Any questions that you may have, I'll personally answer, as well as subscribe to our channel, because this channel will be everything about how do we grow your finances and your money, and different ways and techniques of making money online. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.